Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite home snack, Grissini with Gruyere. So I hope you're gonna like it, and let's do it. So I got all my ingredients ready, and now I mix them into the bowl. Start with plain flour. Next, coming Gruyere cheese. You can use other cheese like Parmesan or cheddar, it will work the same. Fresh yeast, garlic powder. You can also use things like dry onions or smoked paprika. Then water, salt and a little bit of olive oil. And now, just mix everything together. Last thing I will put in is fresh thyme. Original Grissini recipe is with rosemary, but I like it much more with thyme. So I chop it fine and mix with my dough. Now, I'm just gonna do nice ball shape and leave it to proof. In 1 hour, I will take it out and roll it thin. And if you would like to see more shorter recipes like this guys, give to this video thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next time. And now, cut long strips. I'm using this tool, but you can do it even with a knife. And last thing, you wanna roll them and then goes onto the tray. If you like them very crispy, do them very thin. If you like the little bit soft inside like I do, leave them more thick. And again, let them proof at least for 20 minutes more. And last step, before they goes inside the oven, I brush them with mixture of water and olive oil half by half. And now, just bake them on 200 degrees Celsius around 15 minutes, depend of the thickness. And grissini are done. I hope you enjoyed today's snack recipe guys. I totally recommend you try them at home. And if you wanna learn more about fine dining cooking at home, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.